In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a dumbbell lateral lunge, otherwise known as a side lunge, and we're going to be doing this in goblet position. So firstly, I'm going to pick up the weight that I'm using with a straight back, and then once the weight's in my hands, I've got two options for my goblet position. So I can hold the top of the dumbbell, clasp my fingers around, have my elbows into my sides and the dumbbell tucked into my chest for version number one. Or you can have each hand in contact with the ends of the dumbbell, have again those elbows tucked into the body and the dumbbell as close to your chest as you can. So decide which variation you would prefer. Then you're going to come into a position where your feet are hip width apart. From this position, you are going to be laterally lunging. So I'm going to bring my right leg away from my body. And as I do so, watch the position of my right foot. It comes diagonally away from the body. I'm now going to bring my hips back and to the right into that right hand side. So bringing my hips back into the side. From here, I return back to my start position by generating the power through my heel. So I'm lunging to my right hand side. My foot comes diagonally away, and then from here, I come back and into that right hand side, squatting into that position and then returning back. So quick repetitions would look like so. Of course, you can decide to alternate, so you don't have to do all your repetitions on one side than the other. You might decide to do a repetition to your right, then the next one to your left. So you can see my hip position side on. I'll now do it with my left leg, so feet hip width apart, pointed forwards, and then from here, my left foot is going to come diagonally away from my body. From here, watch my hips, down and into that left-hand side, back up to my start position. So leg away from the body, foot out. I squat into the left-hand side of my body, and I would repeat that for my desired amount of sets and repetitions. That's how to do a dumbbell lateral lunge.